Thanks for watching this video tutorial on the Audison AF Forza DSP amplifiers. The AF Forza family of amplifiers are compact, powerful, great sounding, and have advanced bit processing for OEM correction and system tuning, all built in. In this video, we'll show you how to download and install BitDrive 3.0 software. We'll also show you how to use Update Center in BitDrive 3.0 so you can update to future BitDrive software versions. And we'll show you how to use it to update device firmware also. If you want to skip ahead to the Update Center section of this video, that's about 3 minutes farther on. BitDrive software can be installed on PCs running Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating systems. It's important to have internet access during this entire installation, not simply when we download the initial files. Windows may need to download additional drivers during the process. Downloading the files. For initial installations, it's best to use the AF Forza product page on the Audison website. That's at audison.com. Select DSP amplifiers. Then scroll down to the model you're using. In this example, that's the AF M5.11 bit. Click on that product to select it. Scroll down and select Support by clicking on it. Here, you can see both the software and the firmware files. This is also where you open the manuals for the hardware model you're using and for the BitDrive software. And this is also where you can download the test tracks that you will need later on during the configuration process. Please don't use test tracks for discontinued Audison products. Download the proper tracks for this device. You don't need to download the firmware, just the BitDrive software. Installing the software. Open the Downloads folder of your PC. The files you just downloaded are there, compressed in a zip format. Double-click on the BitDrive folder. Select Extract All at the top. Make sure Show Extracted Files When Complete is selected. Accept the default location for opening the new files by clicking on Extract. Then open the new unzipped folder. Now, double-click on the BitDrive Windows Installer package. If this Windows warning appears, select More Info and then select Run Anyway. Select Next. Accept the license agreement. Select Next. Select Next to accept the suggested location for the software to be installed on your computer. Select Next to start the installation. If this Windows warning appears, click Yes. When the installation is complete, click on Close. Now you'll see a BitDrive icon on the desktop. The software is installed. Using Update Center. Important points to remember before opening Update Center. Close all other running applications before you begin. Connect the PC to a source of AC power. Connect the vehicle to a source of clean DC power. Do not disconnect the device, unplug power, or close BitDrive during the updating process. Disable any antivirus and anti-spyware systems, and disable any standby or energy-saving features. Double-click on the BitDrive icon on the desktop. Here is the home screen for BitDrive 3.0. The Update Center icon is in the upper right. As you can see, the map of the vehicle sound system on the left side has no speakers around the vehicle. It's important for you to know if the AF device has been previously configured. When the map shows no speakers, the AF bit amplifier has not been configured yet. New firmware can be installed without any loss of data. When the system map shows speakers, that is an indication that the AF bit device has been configured already. Configuration files contain input equalizer correction settings. Failure to preserve the configuration file may require you to recreate the input EQ settings manually. If the AF device has been configured, it's essential to preserve the configuration file by performing these steps in the proper order as listed below. You could also just save the configuration file manually using the save icon in the upper left. Opening Update Center. Open Update Center by clicking on the icon in the upper right. The Update Center window will appear. For a few seconds, this window may be empty as BitDrive checks the Audison servers. Remember, using Update Center requires internet access. After a few seconds, the Update Center window should populate. The latest available version of BitDrive will be displayed. If an AF bit device is connected to the PC, a tab for that device will be displayed at the top. Here is a tab showing the AFM 5.11 bit. Clicking on the AF bit tab will show the available firmware version of the connected device. Updating BitDrive with Update Center. When Update Center opens, any newer versions of BitDrive will be displayed. The cloud icon on the right tells us the file still needs to be downloaded from the cloud. This message will appear. Click Yes. This bar indicates the progress so far. Click Close. Update Center will confirm the version number you want to install. Click Yes. Now, you may see the Windows notification below asking your permission to allow Update Center to install the update. Click Yes. The BitDrive splash screen will appear with the new software version number displayed. Updating AF bit device firmware with Update Center. Click on the AF device tab at the top of the Update Center window. This cloud icon indicates there's a newer version of AF bit firmware available in the cloud. Click here to start the download. This message will appear. Click Yes. Click Yes. Click here to install the firmware update. Click Yes. Click Yes. Click here to acknowledge that everything is ready as noted above. This bar indicates the progress so far. Click Close. If an optional DRC-AC controller is connected, you'll see this screen. Click here to start the download. When you see this screen, you have three options. If you haven't saved the configuration file yet, select the first option. This window appears. Select a good file name, such as the vehicle make, model, and owner name. If you've already saved the configuration file, select the second option. This will reinstall the configuration file after the update. If the amplifier has never been configured before, select the third option and the amplifier will be updated. That's it. It's easy. Thanks for watching.